Hi Jeremy, this is just a quick video response for your Beko BBIM12300AC oven. First of all, thank you very much for your comment and sharing the model number with us, as it is very helpful when it comes to finding the technical knowledge like service manual, exploit diagrams and the wiring diagram. Since Paul is away right now, I'm helping him out with answering his FAQ questions, because I didn't want you to wait for a long period of time to get an answer. As you might guess, I'm not a technician like Paul, but I was able to put all the necessary information together for you. Alright, you stated that every time you use your oven or even the grill function, it trips the RCD unit. And also you said to us, how annoying is that? Okay, I can understand your concerns, but it has an easy fix. In this case, you have an earth leakage problem, which means one or multiple heating elements may have become faulty. Or, less frequently, other components like the thermostat, the selector switch, or the control board may be the source of the leak. To be able to identify the problem, you must first disconnect the oven from the main supply. Then, you need to visually check these elements for any signs of damage. If there is no sign, you should test them with the multimeter. But don't worry, we have videos showing how to do this. You can find them in the description below. You will also see an FAQ page link below, where you can find all the spare parts and the documents like wiring diagram, service manual, exploit diagrams, and related videos. If you need more help, please feel free to contact us again. Also, please don't forget to support us by liking this video and buying the parts of us. Cheers!